Statistics say that 84% of Americans believe in the divinity of Jesus Christ, and 74% confess commitment to Him. Yet America continues the downward spiral towards corruption and immorality. Why has Christianity not worked? With each generation, we seem to go deeper and deeper into the sins that plague our society. In this publication, you will find many articles that will clearly answer the question why religion will not save America. In the end, you may not like the answer, but the answer has always been there in the pages of your Bible. Order your free copy of Will Religion Save America? Order by writing to Church of God Rocky Mount, 27 Brookledge Lane, Rocky Mount, Virginia, 24151. That's Church of God Rocky Mount, 27 Brookledge Lane, Rocky Mount, Virginia, 24151.